Homage is an act of showing respect or honor towards someone or something. The word homage is specifically used in the phrase to pay homage, which means to show respect. To pay homage is to pay your respect for somebody or something. You pay homage to people either because they have authority or they have achieved something. To pay homage to someone is to pay special honor to that person. It is an act of public respect. So you honor the person publicly. Let's have a clipping here.
Thor named it the King's Jewel. He took it as a sign that his right to rule was divine. All would pay homage to him, even the great elven king, Thranduil.
So, what was the usage here? All would pay homage to him, even the great elven king. Another usage, Statue of Unity was erected in homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel की contributions को हम सब जानते हैं. Patel was the one who unified India. Patel was the one who brought all the princely states together to create the modern nation called India. So आज का भारत, आज का इंडिया पटेल का बनाया हुआ है. So as a nation, we have honored him by erecting a statue of him. So Statue of Unity was erected in homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my